Hello, Jody here from Mile Deep, and I would like to say welcome to our YouTube channel. This is probably going to be our first video of 2023. So as you can see, still Christmas here. We've still got the Christmas twinklies up in the shop. It is a dark, cold, wet December day at the moment. We've just been bought in the vehicle you're watching on this video. Now, it's a Volvo convertible. It's been brought to us for a pre-sale prep. The vehicle's actually been sitting for over 2 years apparently. It's been sitting all through lockdown, so it's got a lot of moss. There's a lot of spider's webs. It's covered in sort of moss everywhere. It's actually had a slight damaged window, so there's been a water ingress inside, so there's mold and stuff, so that's something we're going to have to deal with as well. And yeah, we're going to have a little walk around the car with you, and yeah, show you what we're doing, and we'll go through the process with you today. All right, looking forward to this one. So we've done the wash on this car now. It's had citrus pre-wash and snow foam. That tackled the vast majority of the surface grime. We then did the mitt wash on it, and it's also had a chemical decontamination using purple and Resolve tar and glue remover. And to be fair, it's come up pretty well. We're at the stage now where we're happy to put some protection on it. So what we're going to do, we're going to load some shield up into the snow foam cannon, and we're going to get that over the top to get some ceramic sealant on it.